Sure, my cousinangs, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. I'm gonna be honest, today's a little bit of a low energy day. Nonetheless, we are still dropping a banger video. Today, we will be reacting to Te Manakuratahi 2025, Te Wharekura o te Kaokaoroa o Pātetere. There's a couple of people coming in and asking, Hux, can you watch Kaokaoroa? Hux, please watch Kaokaoroa. Hux. No need anymore. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. The confidence. I actually really enjoyed that whakeike. Other than the hapa at the start with the karanga, Kaokaoroa. Yo, I like that. I don't know what it was. It's probably the drummy. I enjoyed that drum. It was like, but yeah, it's a vibe. Usual clean as. That's all I gotta say. So far, just clean as, bro. Bro's going harder. Facials. Even the tane, bro. Holy. Holy heck. You's cooked with this full beaming hard. I like it a lot. bit cracky, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be honest. It's a bit flat. But that's okay. That'll be nerves. Right. The item as a whole, I really liked it. The vibe was mean. Everything about it was pretty tough. Let's be honest. The only thing I didn't like about it, I'm gonna be honest, was the note selection. That's pretty much it, to be honest. Same thing as the last ropu. The note wasn't suited to the majority, which for me is a little bit of a put off. You can see on their faces, I don't really want to hit this note because it's too hard. Just change the note. Sorry about it. That's just my whakaaro. And it might not mean anything to you, but it means a lot to me. And it's just facts because that's what makes a bracket good or bad. If the notes were different, honestly, that's a banger. It's point time. Hey! Oh, it's... I like this boy. They're all in sync, bro. We're all... The actions are nice and simple. No one's struggling. The note's nice as. Oh, there we go. Yeah. I enjoyed that poi, yeah. I like that poi. We gotta put that one on the map, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my days. I'm just gonna say it. My favorite haka from Manakuratahi by miles. Not even close. No competition. Kaokaoroa. That's peak, I'm not gonna lie. Enough said. Yeah. 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 I'm not gonna lie. Kirikiriroa. I know that you've come first place. I know a few people from the ropu. Shout out to Big Mac. Shout out to Kuya. I don't know. I'm gonna be honest. If I see your fellas ropu and I think personally Kaokaoroa should have won, you just gotta respect it. Other than the notes with the aringa, that was the only thing I don't really like. Was just the aringa. Everything else though was holding that standard, I'm not gonna lie. And it was like in your face. So far, this is first place by miles. I'm sorry, everyone else I've seen, this one takes the cake. Kaokaoroa. That's all I gotta say, bro. Kaokaoroa is tough. Anyway, that's pretty much the end of the video. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, cheers.